Greetings to you. This video is to learn English phrasal verbs drop-in. If you want to sound more like a native English speaker, this is a phrasal verb you should know definitely. So, stay with me until the end because I will explain the meaning, examples and common mistakes. Let us begin. The phrasal verb drop-in means to visit someone unexpectedly or without making an appointment. In simple words, you go to somebody's house or office without planning it beforehand. Example: he dropped in at my house last night. This means he visited my house unexpectedly. Remember, drop-in is usually used for a short and casual visits. Feel free to drop in anytime. It means you can visit me whenever you like, even without calling first. My grandparents dropped in yesterday afternoon. This means they came for a short, unexpected visit. I was surprised when my friend dropped in after work. Meaning, my friend visited without giving any advance notice. She often drops in to see her neighbors. She makes casual visit to her neighbors. Many learners confuse drop-in with drop-off. Remember, drop-off means deliver someone or something to a place. Example, if you are using he drop off my house. So to indicate visit, this is not a correct usage. Correct usage is he dropped in at my house. Drop-in means visit unexpectedly. Few phrasal verbs native English speakers often use. Drop in sometime. Why don't you drop in this weekend? I just dropped in to say hello. Use these expressions will make your English sound much more natural and conversational. Summary: phrasal verb drop in means to visit someone unexpectedly or casually. Don't confuse with phrasal verb drop off. Drop off does not indicate visit. Drop-off should be used to deliver something. The correct usage is he dropped in at my house last night. Practice makes perfect. This is a time for implementation. Please write 1 or 2 sentences of your own and post in the comment section below. If you find this video useful, please like and share with your fellow learners. Please subscribe for more videos of this nature. Thank you for watching till the end.